Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the look that we are going to create today. It's very high glam, almost like high fashion look. It's definitely not a daily look, but yeah, I just loved how it turned out. It's supremely glam. If you're new to my channel and if you don't know, currently I'm running a huge giveaway for you guys. Today's giveaway I'm going to announce somewhere in this video and you can participate to win. Also do DM me a hi and say that you are participating, and also leave your Instagram ID down in the description box below so that I know that you are actually following me. So these are all the rules and let's get started and see how to create this look. Before starting the video and the makeup look that I'm going to do in this video, I have a new makeup look, and that is because I want to show you guys first how to properly remove the makeup, because that is the issue that people face with bad skin, that if your makeup is not removed properly, your skin will never be good. So I want to show you something that I have been using for years. It has been a staple in my vanity and I literally have 2-3 jars of it all the time with me. It is that important in my vanity and to keep my skin clear. So yes, I'm talking about Bioderma. If you guys have been following the people who have been following me for a long time, you know how much I love Bioderma. But today in the video that I'm going to show you guys how to use it. First, let's talk about, these are the travel sizes, the smallest one, and it is coming handy right now because I am going to travel and this is actually going in my travel bag after I finish this video. So here is how it looks like. This is the Bioderma Sensi Bio. The best part about this is that you don't have to wash your face after you use this, but that is not really how I do it. I'll show you in the video what I actually do. And then we have another one. This is basically for a more of a sensitive skin, like people who have more sensitive skin, and these are the best makeup removers if you have sensitive skin, if your skin reacts to something. And also the face wash, you can see how much I have used it, that I have been using is from Bioderma. This is extremely gentle, and for a person like me who has very dry skin first of all and is a content creator, it's very important for me to use products with good ingredients and that are gentle on my skin, because I wash my face like 20 times a day. So these two combinations never go out of stock from my vanity. These are the ones that I stick to. So you can see how much I've used this, and I've been using this for months now. You need a very small quantity of it and I absolutely love this. I'm going to take a cotton pad, and so I'm going to use the Bioderma Sensi Bio. Did I even open this? This one is a completely new one, so I'm keeping this for the travel because this is also new and I'm not opening it. This I'm opening, and this will again go to my, like, near my sink. That is where I keep my Bioderma. So do you see this? It is that great. It is the fastest and it does not have any oil or anything in it that, you know, will clog your pores or anything. Like, look at this. It's great. The fact that I only used one cotton pad for my entire face tells you how good of a product this is. Now it's time to use the face wash. So what I do is I just take pea size, like literally that much of the product, and I do this. I don't directly go it with my face. I just, like, you know, what is it called? I'm forgetting the word. Basically, I just walk the product up on my palms and then I just start washing my face. So that is basically my two-step skincare routine. You can see that my skin is not dry. It does not dry out the skin. Also, you must have noticed that this one does not foam up that much. It's not a soapy face wash. It's a very gentle one. I also have a discount code for you guys in the description. Do check it. I will leave the link down to the website so that you can go and purchase it for yourself and see how freaking good this is. So yeah, with that, I end this part of the video and now you can go and watch the tutorial. Okay, so let's just get started. My entire base is done because I don't want to waste the time in doing base. It's more about the eye makeup in this video. I just quickly, yeah, sprayed this. This is the Pack Metas. Every product that I use today, as usual, will be down in the description box, mentioned with the links for you guys, and also the giveaway rules. Please ensure that you follow all the rules. I'm sure I said that before also, but yeah. Here is what we are starting with. Let me just quickly tell you the product that I'm using. The first palette would be this. This is the Pack matte eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks. It's the best neutral, basically the transition palette that you can use, and also has a beautiful black, which we are going to use today. And this one is the star of the show. This is their shimmer palette, and the pigments are just so beautiful. And I'm also going to use these two pencils from them, and again these are going to be linked down in the description box. I'm going to start off with the black shade, and I am going to black shade of the gel pencil, and I'm going to apply it like this in the inner corner. Then I'm going to take the brush and I'm just going to smudge it and lift it upwards. I'm going to do the same thing on the outer corner of the eye. I'm not winging it or anything. I am just smudging the kajal in here. I'm going to take the black shade from the matte palette, and I'm going to start stamping it on the outer corner first. Make sure you're not taking the dark shade to your eyebrow and keep this area hollow. Just take it outside to where your eyebrow ends. So avoid the arch, go towards the end of the brow. This is how it's gonna look. I know it can be a little scary at this point, but everything will be fine. Also, the same thing in the inner corner. So the center, I'm going to use the yellow pencil. This is a gold basically, and I'm just going to fill in the center section just like this. I am going to try to blend it right in here, but just a little bit. It's just so that I have the mapping of the eye. I'm going to take the glitter palette and a brush like this. I'm going to take the black shade first, and I'm going to start stamping it in my inner corner. For the lower lashes, I'm taking the black from here and just smudging it. Again, the gold goes in the center of the eye, just right here.